Hi, I'm Robin. I've been working for Coveya for 5 years and I'm the lead electrician. Currently I'm working on 5 bespoke customer conveyors, all built to quarry spec using SWA cable with the customer's own isolators and e-stops. My normal day at Coveya would be to come in, make coffee, and then I would go outside, collect the electrics from the ex-hire, so we could service them in the day, and then around 8 o'clock we would have our daily meeting. It would be discussed what's coming up for the day and what's going out the following day, so we would then prepare all the electrics to go out for customers for the following day. At Coveya we got a good stock of 4 15 motors and 1 10 motors. These are the main motors we use, 3 kilowatt 4 15 motors. What I enjoy most about Coveya is the variety of the job and the people I work with. Each one's the character. Please feel free to visit our website or give us a call. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.